Hi beautiful people, this is Urvi and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about PCOS and hair fall. And if you're going through hair fall, I completely understand you how scared you are because I've been through the same and I've reversed it naturally. So today I'll be sharing how did I do that. So when you're losing your hair from your head, it is because you have too many androgens in your body, which is basically high testosterone and high stress levels, and which is triggered by high inflammation and high insulin resistance. So how can you heal that? So what did I do is I first cut down on sugar. So you have to completely cut down on white sugar, but yeah, you can consume jaggery, coconut sugar and things like that, which are natural sugars, form of dates or fruits. And that also should be in a particular limit, that you have one portion of fruit per day. And for inflammation, what did I do is I cut down on processed food and foods which are packaged. I was focusing very much on my gut health. So for that I used to detox a lot, and for that I used to consume a lot of green juices. And for green juices you have to basically use any green cucumbers and green bhaji like spinach and pudina and coriander and things like that, and you have to use a blender, blend it and then sieve it, and then you have to drink those green juices. And I used to have those juices for almost every day, and I have a special highlight on my Instagram which you can check on Urvi's Still Healing page, my Instagram handle, which is Urvi's Still Healing. You can check on that highlight because I've posted every green juice that I've taken during that time. I used to oil my hair with infused curry leaves and infused fenugreek leaves and into castor oil, almond oil and coconut oil. I use a lot of coconut oil into my food, into my hair, and yeah, for my skin also I used to use it. So yeah, and all of these things you have to do. Also I used to take food which were high in zinc, biotin, protein and magnesium. So you have to select food which are high in this category. So that will be very much helpful to you, because, and if you can also take supplements, but I did it all naturally. So I did not prefer any supplements. I did not wanted to go for any medicines, any tablets. But yeah, you can surely do that, but first you have to consume food which are naturally available. Don't focus on people who are losing weight right now. Yes, when you are told you have PCOS, the ultimate solution will be told that you have to lose weight. So I just want to tell you, please don't go low carb. Low carb doesn't mean you stop consuming carbs completely, and don't go for diets which are extremely low in calories, which will make you starve. So don't go for food like this, because when you are starving, your insulin is getting higher, and when you do that, your hair starts falling because that triggers into high testosterone and ultimately, and that high testosterone is gathered around your hair follicles. So when you lose hair, when you shed hair, it's directly shedded from the roots of it. So don't do that. Don't go for low calories, please. This is a request. And if you're following any kind of diets, I just want to tell you that eat foods which are whole foods. Putting hair masks which are made out of natural things. Basically, I used to do hair masks which were made of methi seeds. You soak that methi seeds overnight in water, and then you put dahi, honey and some lemon into it, and then you use that mask on your hair and put it for 30 minutes at least, and it will be helpful. And or you can use aloe vera on your hair, and you can use I used to do this onion therapy also. I used to grate the onion and like kaddu kach types, and you get the water. So you just squeeze the water out of it, and you just use that water on your scalp every day. And for every day you put it for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then you wash your hair with that. And I did that for like 3 to 4 days, and it was just like, it worked like a magic for me. So I started using hair products which were like right now too much in the market, like very much happening right now in the market, are the onion hair care range and levels. How do you control high stress levels is you give so much love to yourself. You have to do that. You have to give love to yourself. You have to believe in yourself that you can do it, and it will be such a beautiful journey for you out there. Because if you're stuck anywhere, I'm there for you, because I've been through it and I completely understand you. So please try to focus more on yourself, on your own healing, and that will be very much helpful. Plus in PCOS, you don't have only hair fall, you go through a lot of other symptoms too. So there's no particular solution for one symptom. If you're going to have my green juices, and if you're going to cut down on sugar and processed food, it is just not going to help with your hair fall. It will be help with your hirsutism, it will help you with your weight loss, it will help you with so many things and make you feel so much better. So do this for yourself and not just particular hair fall, because I know as a female you feel so much connected to your hair. You feel it makes you feel feminine and it makes you feel like beautiful, but that's not define, that doesn't define you. You are so much more than your hair, and to make yourself feel beautiful inside, you need to make these little changes, and it will be very much helpful. So if this video is helpful to you, please share it with your friends and females and men who need to know that it is not an easy journey, and for females who really need to hear this and start working on themselves. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much for listening to me.